Thin Fat Auto Repair Service welcomes everyone. Currently we sell Aveo Chevrolet clock clusters at reasonable prices and with product warranty. When customers buy it, they can also replace it themselves, saving a lot of time. Customers who need to contact the hotline above, and in this video I will show you how to replace a new watch when you buy it. Disassembly is also very simple and does not require much effort. Take the 3-head screwdriver and remove the 2 screws in this position, turn it counterclockwise. Next, remove the 4 screws at the 4 corners of the watch and be very careful. After removing all the screws, customers should gently lift the watch and see that there will be 2 jacks on the back. Gently press on the jack's locking lever and pull it out slowly and carefully. Then, take the new clock, plug in the jacks and screw the screws into the old positions to complete the replacement of the new clock. And this is after replacing the new clock and checking. Customers can see that the new watch works very well. The parameters, screen, and hands all run very accurately and stably. Customers who want to buy a clock cluster, please contact the hotline number above for free consultation. Thin Fat Auto Repair Service would like to thank you and see you again.